Several depth measurements are required from various other signal points to measure depth more accurately. The digital voltmeter on the DeepMaster shows the voltage of the battery. Some ways to maintain the device. The detector should be protected from high levels of heat and cold. The device must not place in the back of the car or under the sun on hot summer days or outdoors in a winter. Remove the device battery if you do not plan to use the device for extended periods, such as a month or more. The device must always be kept clean after each use. During the transfer of your device, remove removable pieces of the device such as search antennas, sensors, etc. Please place the device in its bag and the specified place inside the bag, and the pieces should not be placed in other places. The most powerful gold and treasures detector.